And we're at Art's Wood Shop. So I'm going to show you what I'm currently working on. It's going to be let's call it a hand rail and baluster assembly. She's going to be used to keep some dogs out of a certain part of a room. So I'm going to make kind of like a well, maybe like a deck railing with vertical spindles. But I'm making all the, well, those are called balusters, the vertical portion, the round vertical portion, those are called balusters, but I'm making all of those. And that's what this jig here is for. So you start off with 2x12 lumber, or any lumber that's big enough, and you cut it down into these. So these squares here, so 1.5 by 1.5. And then you have to drill a hole into the, it's my makeshift tripod, drill a hole into the ends. Let me do that real quick. I had a jig for this, and I didn't have a proper bushing and all that, and it kept getting chewed up. So I found it was easier just to do it by hand, just by eye. It's close enough. I mean, these things are not, they're not going to come out to NASA spec, but close enough for my purposes. Turn you this wheel. Sorry about the tripod, but it is what I got. Okay, now get you set up here. So then this goes in here like this. Give this a whack to seat it. And then this goes in here. Slide it down. Little safety measure right here to make sure it doesn't slip. And that's it. Got a drill connected to it here. This is what turns it. Like that. Turn on the saw. There you go. It's roughed in. Hit it with some 80 grit. Doing some 120 just to smooth it out a little bit. There you go. These are going to get painted, so they don't have to be super smooth. There you go. One baluster ready to go. And I need, you can see I've been making quite a few of these. And I got about, need to have about 65 or something. I'm not really, I haven't calculated it yet. I know I need quite a few. So this is a little over halfway. Sometimes they're not quite on center, but I'm thinking that once I put the thing all together. It does make quite a bit of sawdust. I was trying to use my dust collector through the saw to collect the dust, but these shavings are kind of big and they kind of grab on one another. You can actually almost like make a snowball out of this stuff. Here, look at that. But anyway, it kept clogging up. So I'm just turned off the dust collector. I'll just do it manually later on. So that's it. Wish me luck. Sayonara.